because I
Okay,
have
okay, thank you.
actually when I start appreciating you, I can't stop myself.
I love your English. Try to control yourself.
Yes.
Hey,
Hi Meli, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, you are so loud. Okay, just a minute. Yeah, I am well.
Okay, before we move forward, you're a little late, like 4 minutes, and I have a class right after you. So if they call,
Okay, no problem.
sorry.
So how many times I have?
Right now we have 11 minutes.
Oh, that's more than enough.
Okay.
So, and
How's it going?
yeah, everything is fine. Yes, I will tell you today.
Okay.
Just a minute.
You look good. You look good.
Oh my gosh. Now is it okay? I don't know why this is standing.
It's alive.
Okay. But you look like a princess.
Okay, thanks. When will you be finished with school? Are you done with school? Did you finish?
No. Only 1 year left for completing graduation. Then I will be an engineering of electronics and communication engineering in the department of. And then I will do some decent job regarding in my field.
In your field you want to work?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
So, and yeah,
And
how about
and
your
you-
family? They are fine.
Everybody's fine.
Oh, always stay
Yeah.
safe.
Yeah.
I have one question for you. Actually, I want to mention
I
that.
love your hair.
Oh my gosh.
I'm serious. I'm not kidding. I think
Oh,
it
why?
looks cool.
Actually, I do not run the comb after bathing, so that's why it may be.
Oh, okay. Your hair is super alive.
Oh my gosh. Okay,
Okay, what were you gonna ask?
you are really a really a good human being in nature. So
Me?
yes.
Okay.
And I really
Actually, so are you.
actually I follow you and I see you on the other conversation that your simplicity is really awesome. It's really appreciated. Really nice. You are really very good in
I
person.
really appreciate that. Thank you for your kind words. Thank you.
You are really.
I try to be a good human.
Yes. You are really positive person inwardly in the mind. You are really positive.
Inwardly in the mind. Okay.
You are so good. Because
Okay, thank you.
actually when I start appreciating you, I can't stop myself.
I love your English. Try to control yourself.
Yes.
I swear
Okay.
it's the best.
So and what was the lunch today?
I already ate lunch. I had rice with steamed vegetables and yogurt sauce over it. What did you have?
Oh, and I had generally thali.
Kali?
No, thali. THALI. Thali.
What
thali
is that?
Yes.
I feel like I know what this is.
Yes.
I know what it is.
Thali includes dal, rice, vegetables, and fish curry or chicken curry. But I had a fish curry today.
Okay, I know what this is. You had what? Which curry?
Fish curry. Fish. Lovely.
Can you say this word for me?
Fast.
Fast. Okay, can you say this word for me?
Shish kebab.
Shish.
Shish. Shish kebab.
Shish kebab.
Shish kebab.
Okay. Fish kebab.
Fish kebab. Fish.
Okay. Okay.
Because
Okay,
I have a problem with the pronunciation of sh and s, like pronunciation and pronunciation.
Okay,
Just-
pronunciation. Yeah.
Yes.
And it's H. The letter H you have a problem with, and sh.
Oh, I see. I have to practice a lot of with that word, this kind of word.
No, but you're fine. Like you just probably you say it so fast that you forget, but you can pronounce it. You don't have a pronunciation problem.
Oh, thank you, ma'am. I am so thankful to you.
Okay. I really gotta go. My student is calling me and I'm late.
Bye. Take care. Bye.
Okay. See you soon?
Sure.
Okay.